From Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Keys, this is South Florida's CBS 4 News.
A gymnastics coach arrested for allegedly fondling a student is now free. Raymond Adams is accused of molesting a student at Beager International Gymnastics during a training session.
A Broward County judge granted him bond days after an emotion-packed hearing where parents were divided on whether or not he should be let out. CBS 4's Joe Murray is live right now outside the law office of Adams' attorney. What are they saying about this, Joe?
Well, Elliot, you're right. He is upstairs in this law office awaiting his ride. His lawyer says a couple of the parents who supported him are going to be coming here to pick him up, take him home to his Boca Raton apartment. Well, he'll remain under house arrest until his next court date.
2 weeks to the day of his arrest, gymnastics coach Ray Adams is a free man. Wearing workout clothes, Adams left jail after a judge granted an $80,000 bond on charges he molested a 10-year-old girl during a training session.
As his lawyer, I'm not going to let him say anything, but one thing he does want to say is he wants to express his gratitude to all the parents who have provided and shown support for him, and we're looking for the day that he could clear his name in court.
More than a dozen of those parents packed the courthouse last Friday during a bond hearing, defending Adams as a nurturing coach, trying to drown out his detractors who say Adams has a history of improperly touching girls dating back to the early 1990s.
It's like destroying somebody's life by saying he was convicted. Show us that he was convicted in 2 occasions for being a pedophile.
We called other gyms, other moms. He left. He was in Cincinnati. He was at CGA. He was at Buckeye. I told these parents, I went to a meet and said, you need to get him out of your gym. And they were like, oh. Clearly,
the evidence that we have so far right now shows that Mr. Adams had at least 150 eyes on him, pair of eyes at any one time. So if they say they weren't watching him, how would they know? How would he know he wasn't being watched?
As a condition of release, Adams is on house arrest and will have to wear a GPS tracking device. He can't have any contact with girls under 18, including the 10-year-old he's accused of molesting.
So it means he cannot go back to Beager's gym where he was working in Deerfield Beach to have any contact with children. We are told someone has offered him a part-time job to pay the bills while he's awaiting his next court date. All this has to be cleared with the court. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.